In this video, I'm going to show you this projector from Vilinice. It's a VL407. It's a 1080p native projector. So if you're looking for a video that will show you what it's like to have it and its video quality, then you're in the right place, so stick around. Hi guys, welcome back to Lee's Tech Room, and like I said, it's all about this projector today. Before we get into the actual review video of it, I just want to show you some features that it has on the side here. Got several ports on the side. You've got the USB, there's a HDMI 1 and 2, which is brilliant having two HDMIs. There's the audio socket there, an AV socket. There's actually a micro SD socket there as well, and there's a VGA, plug your PC straight into it, which is brilliant. On the top, you've got the functions that you got on the remote control, so it's just everything that you need on there. And on the bottom, you haven't got one single tripod mount, so you're not going to mount on a tripod, but you do have 4 mounts to mount it onto the ceiling. And on the back is the power socket, and then you've got the keystone and zoom on that side. Keystone and focus on the top there. Right, let's go and have a look what the projector's like. But before we do that, make sure you watch the end of the video where you can see a little video montage I've made. So this is a recording during the day with the curtains closed and the door closed. It's going to focus on the screen itself. As you can see, it's actually quite a good picture. In fact, it's a really good picture. It's not really that dark in here, but it's obviously the curtains are closed and everything, so it does make quite a lot of difference. I mean, obviously when it's really dark outside, then it's going to make a lot of difference to the screen as well. So I just wanted to show you the screen that you get when you start. Well, that's probably my head. So if you put a USB stick in or a micro SD card in with some movies or music or whatever on there, then you can access it from this menu here. I haven't done so I can't do that. You can use this menu to mirrorcast, so you can use your Android phone or your Apple phone or any sort of device, or even a laptop, which I have done. You can mirrorcast it straight onto there. Obviously you have to select mirrorcast like so. Okay, and when you get to that screen, then all you need to do is connect your device to the mirrorcast option, and then off you go. It goes into that screen. And let me just go back to source. So if you choose, it's got VGA, so you can plug your PC straight into it via the VGA cable. Oops, I have the laptop plugged into HDMI 2. So as you can see, I'm going to put a video on. This was recorded in 4K, and let me just put it on for you so you can see the actual image quality that you'll get. So as you can see, it's really good quality. This is recorded in 4K on an action camera. It was a budget action camera, but it still does a good enough job to record in 4K and play on the 1080p native projector, which does allow for 4K. I'll just pause that. So that's what you can expect from the 4K. I can't play anything else like a trailer or something because I'll get copyrighted. Okay, so now I'll show you the menu options. So you can go into the picture mode and you can select lots of different versions of, user-friendly ones, and you can set your own one as well. I keep it on standard because it looks pretty good as that. Got color temperature and aspect ratio. You can't zoom in on this one, so you can't make the screen smaller or bigger. You have to move the actual projector itself. It's not a massive pain. Unless it is for you, then this one isn't for you. Sound modes, you've got different types: movie, sports, and user, and standard. I keep it on movie because I watch a lot of movies, and everything else there is self-explanatory. Options, you can put Bluetooth mode on, you can projector mode, so you can make it go upside down and whatnot. Get back to normal. And on the end there, you've got the clock and sleep timer and auto sleep, etc. Now from the remote control itself, You can see you can go straight to pick if you press pick, and you can see at the top left there you can change the picture quality straight from the controller, and the sound, same with the sound, movie, sports, user, back into movie, and well, you can see everything else, and you can got the volume control, the zoom and flip, and everything else that you need on there, which is really good, fully functional remote control. I hope you've enjoyed this video as much as I've enjoyed making it, and if you have done so, then please give it a like, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any future content. Okay, that's it from me. I've been Lee's Tech Room. See you later. Bye.